Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to an amazing tool that our team created just for you, Thumbz Studio. If you've ever struggled with creating eye-catching thumbnails for your YouTube videos, this website is the perfect solution. Stick around, and I'll show you how to create professional thumbnails effortlessly. To get started, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Thumbz Studio and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results. Look for the official Thumbz Studio website, which should be among the top results, and click on it to enter the site. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign in. You can use either your Google account or Facebook account to sign in. For this tutorial, I'll be using my Google account. Click on Sign in with Google, and you're ready to go. The sign-in process is quick and secure, ensuring your information stays safe. After signing in, you'll be greeted with a welcoming dashboard. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the homepage. As you scroll down, you'll notice a vast collection of thumbnails. We have over 1,000 thumbnails available, and we upload at least 5 new thumbnails every day. This ensures that you always have fresh and trendy designs to choose from. You can either select a thumbnail that matches your video content or customize one to suit your needs. Let's click on a thumbnail to start customizing. The customization process is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy even for beginners to create professional-looking thumbnails. Once the thumbnail is loaded, you can customize every element to your liking. If you want to change the text, simply click on the text, drag to select it, and hit the delete key on your keyboard. Now, type in your new text. It's that easy. If you want to move an image, click on it and drag it to your desired location. To delete an image, click on it and press the delete key on your keyboard. You can do the same with any other elements on the thumbnail. This flexibility allows you to create a thumbnail that perfectly represents your video's content. Now, let's say you want to upload a new image to your thumbnail. Click on Upload Image, select the image you want from your computer, and click Open. The upload process is quick, and you can see your image appear on the thumbnail almost instantly. If the new image covers other elements like text or images, you can adjust the layering. Click on the image or text you want to bring to the front, right-click, and select Bring to Front. This way, your elements will be properly arranged. The layering feature is particularly useful when dealing with complex designs. Adding new text is simple. Click on the text option, and type the text you want. You can customize the text further by exploring the font section in the Styles menu. In the font section, you can change the font style. There are several options, so pick the one that fits your design. You can also align the text, but since we only have one word, alignment changes might not be noticeable. Next, you have text styles like bold, italic, underline, overline, and strike-through. Under Other Styles, you can change text to all caps or all lowercase, apply superscript or subscript, and reset these changes if needed. These options give you full control over the appearance of your text. Finally, adjust the font weight and character spacing to perfect your design. Font weight can make your text appear bolder or lighter, while character spacing can make your text more readable or compact. If you want to add shapes to your thumbnail, click on the Shape option. Select the shape you want, and it will be added to your design. To ensure the text or other images appear in front of the shape, right-click the shape and select Send to Back. Adding shapes can give your thumbnail a unique look and help highlight important elements. You can resize and rotate the shapes to fit your design perfectly. To draw on your thumbnail, click on the Drawing option. In the Style section, select your drawing tool and make the necessary adjustments. You can choose the color and thickness of your drawing tool to match your design. When you're done drawing, click the Drawing option again to deselect the tool. Drawing directly on your thumbnail allows for a personal touch and can help emphasize specific areas. To change the background color of your thumbnail, first move any background images out of the way. Then, click on the Background Color option in the Add New section and choose your preferred color. You can experiment with different colors to see which one best complements your design. Experiment with different effects to see what works best for your thumbnail. The right combination of effects can make a significant difference in how your thumbnail looks. If you want to blend the background image with a color, click on Image Colors, scroll down, and check the Blend Color option. Choose the color you prefer. Blending colors can create a smooth transition effect and make your thumbnail stand out. To customize the text further, go to the Fill option to change the text color. You can add an outline by selecting the Outline option, add a shadow with the Shadow option, and create a glow effect with the Glow option. These effects can make your text more readable and eye-catching. After you've customized your thumbnail to perfection, it's time to download it. Go to the Action section, click Download, scroll down, and click Download again. Your thumbnail will be saved to your computer, ready to be uploaded to your YouTube video. Downloading your thumbnail is quick and straightforward. Once you have it saved, you can easily upload it to your YouTube video during the video upload process. And that's it. Creating stunning YouTube thumbnails with Thumbz Studio is that simple. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, Thumbz Studio has the tools you need to make your thumbnails stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy thumbnail designing. Peace out.